Teenagers being hit very hard by COVID right now. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the highest rate of infection last week was among 16 and 17-year-olds. CBS 46's Megan Packer spoke with a pediatrician whose office is just overwhelmed right now with patients. And Megan, you're joining us from a testing site in Brookhaven, and a lot of families are bringing their children in to get tested, aren't they?
Rick, they are. Sites like this are busy. Doctors' offices are busy. We have seen a constant line of cars come up to this COVID Care Georgia location along Buford Highway in Brookhaven. A lot of them getting tested. You can get a vaccine out here if you would like. All of this comes as the Delta variant continues to spread. The Delta variant and the surge happening right now is a game changer. The Atlanta-based CDC says COVID deaths nationwide will likely increase over the next 4 weeks, with an additional 5,000 to 17,000 deaths expected.
So there is a lot of COVID. There is an extremely large amount of COVID among kids.
Pediatricians like Dr. Kiana Washington are struggling to keep their head above water as they deal with an influx in young patients. She's not only seeing COVID cases in her office at Gwinnett Pediatrics and Adolescent Medicine, but she's also treating children with other respiratory illnesses as well. COVID symptoms in children can include fever, congestion, runny nose, a sore throat, headache, fatigue, and in some cases, stomach issues.
We are receiving about 1,000 phone calls per day, which is, our staff is working so hard to get through those phone calls.
The governor of Illinois ordered an indoor mask mandate for everyone 2 and older today and a vaccine mandate for teachers statewide. New cases hit a record in Florida this week, where funeral directors say they are struggling to keep up with demand.
We have a 35 capacity cooler here. It has been full. We're working around the clock.
While the highest rate of infection last week was among 16 and 17-year-olds, 18 to 29-year-olds still make up the largest share of COVID infections, with 6.7 million since the start of the pandemic. And of course, the youngest patients can't get vaccinated. Ahead at 6 o'clock, I'll go through some of the numbers I've obtained today from Children's Healthcare of Atlanta when it comes to how many young people are hospitalized with COVID right now. Live in Brookhaven, I'm Megan Packer, CBS 46 News.
Thank you.